If you're buying or selling in Northern Virginia this spring, stop scrolling, because March 2026 just changed the rules. Inventory is up, mortgage rates just hit a 3-year low, bidding wars are cooling, and for the first time in years, buyers finally have leverage. But this is not a crash. It's not a buyer's market. It's something more strategic. Here's exactly what's happening in Nova, and how to win in it. The Northern Virginia housing market in March 2026 is entering what I call a strategic rebalancing phase. For years, sellers controlled everything. Homes sold in days, offers came in $50,000 over asking, inspections were waived. Now, buyers have options, sellers have competition, and pricing accuracy matters more than ever. This isn't panic, it's normalization. Let's start with mortgage rates. As of late February 2026, the 30-year fixed rate is averaging 6.01%. That's the lowest we've seen in 3 years. Experts expect rates to hover in the low 6s through spring, and if the Federal Reserve pivots later this year, we could see high 5s. That possibility alone is pulling buyers off the sidelines. But here's the twist. Lower rates are happening at the same time inventory is rising. Active listings across Nova jumped 21.1% year-over-year entering 2026, and supply is expected to ramp up even more from March through May. More listings means more choices mean less desperation. We're also seeing average days on market climb to 42 days. That's a 35.5% increase compared to last year. Translation? Buyers can breathe again, inspections are back, credits are back, and overpriced homes are sitting. Now let's break this down county by county. Fairfax is projected to see prices rise 1.9% with sales volume up 8.4%. Inventory here is rising sharply, which means sellers must price strategically. Arlington shows stronger price growth at 3.8%, but inventory is spiking nearly 28%. Federal workforce uncertainty is weighing heavily in this market. Alexandria leads in projected appreciation at 4.2%. Moderate inventory growth keeps things balanced. Loudoun remains strong, 3.3% price growth with sales volume up 7.6%. Prince William is flattening, slight dip of 0.2%. Stafford shows the biggest pressure, projected 4.6% price decline. This is where buyers may find real opportunity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Condominiums are facing the most downward pressure. Rising HOA fees and a spike to 725 active listings are giving buyers major leverage. Townhomes, on the other hand, are holding steady. They remain the sweet spot for affordability. Federal workforce reductions are still impacting sentiment, especially in Arlington and DC adjacent areas. But the bigger shift, the chaos of 2021 is gone. Homes overpriced by even 3 to 5% are getting ignored. Accuracy wins, strategy wins. If you're a buyer, this is your best leverage window in years. If you're a seller, pricing correctly on day one is everything. March 2026 isn't about panic, it's about positioning. The Nova market isn't crashing, it's recalibrating, and the people who understand that will win this spring. Stop overpaying in Nova. Your home might be overpriced right now. Realtors won't tell you this about March 2026. Buyers just gained leverage overnight. This spring could cost you $40,000. This window won't last. Here's what the data actually says. Overpricing by 3% could cost you months. Yes, inspections are back. Here's what smart buyers are doing. Why are homes sitting for 42 days? Why Stafford is quietly becoming a buyer hotspot. What happens if rates drop into the fives? The hidden shift in Arlington. Strategic rebalancing. Buyer leverage window. Price precision. Inventory surge. Market recalibration. Positioning beats panic. If you're thinking about buying in Nova, watch this first. Before you list your home in March, know this. 3 mistakes sellers are making right now. The truth about the Nova market nobody's explaining.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.